Assalamualaikum dear viewers. This is a top loader Panasonic washing machine. Customer has sent me a video. Let's see the video. This video customer sent me. So I have come here to check. Dear viewers, its problem is when wash, it's making noisy. But see, but if I put the spin mode that time is no noisy. So it means when is washing time it's making noisy, but spin time is okay. So for this to check what is the problem, we have to remove this pull starter. So there are one screws where I have to remove this screw. Then dear viewers, it's sometimes very tight. If it's tight, you'll be unable to remove it. So it's very easy to remove. There, put left and right two screws, and by your both of hand you just pull it. So it will be very easy to remove, dear viewers. Yeah, like this. So I have removed it. Then I have checked. There's gearbox. The pull starter gear is okay. There is nothing wrong. Pull starter is fine. So now its problem is the gearbox. Problem is we have to change the gearbox. So this is the new gearbox. I bought it. So I have to remove this screw from the washing machine. It's very easy. Yeah, these screws hold the drum, so we have to remove these screws by these tools. By these tools is very easy to remove. Then lay down. Then we have to remove at first the U bracket. There are 4 screws to remove the, let's see, 1 2 3 4. These 4 screws we have to remove there. Then it will be very easy to remove. We have to remove. So before we remove the gearbox, just to little bit lose it, so it will be easy to remove the bell. Yeah, we have removed the screws. Now just pull it. Yeah, it's easy. Now we have to new one. We have to put back. This is a new gearbox. So it's really easy. It's not difficult. So we'll fix back all the screws. Then we will be back. Now finally we have to fix back the drum screw. Yeah, this is the drum screw. Now we have to test it. So Alhamdulillah, dear viewers, we have checked, everything is fine. Customer is waiting with cloth. You want to test it? So Alhamdulillah, dear viewers, it was fine. Thank you. Assalamu alaikum.